Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Style.19. So viewers, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we bring for you very stylish and unique ideas of leather outfit. Leather jacket outfit, leather legging outfit for upcoming winter fashion. These are very interesting and unique ideas, beautiful and gorgeous ideas for every girl, every fashion lovers woman. If my video is helpful for you, useful for you, then subscribe my channel and be a part of my channel Style.19. And also click on the bell icon to get all notifications on time. We try to bring for you very unique and upcoming latest fashion for our beautiful subscriber and lovers, fashion lovers and viewers. These are very beautiful leather outfit. So viewers, अपना बहुत ज़्यादा ख्याल रखिएगा, हमें अपनी दुआओं में याद रखिएगा. Take care of yourself and your friends and family as much as we can. मज़ीद ऐसी और अच्छी डिज़ाइनिंग के लिए और अच्छी वीडियोस के लिए आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, लाइक करना है, कमेंट करना है. अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके हमारे चैनल का हिस्सा बनिए. मज़ीद ऐसे गॉर्जियस एंड स्टाइलिश आइडियाज़ के लिए आप हमारे चैनल पर वो राब्ता कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए. We try to upload according to your choice, according to your demand. Wishing you a very best of luck for your life, for winter, for your girl. Hope you like the all designs and all outfits. These are fashion lovers outfit and very beautiful leather outfit, leather legging outfit and leather jacket skirts. Beautiful outfit for every girl. Stay blessed, be happy, take care of yourself and your friends and family.